Did you know that 80% of vehicles in junkyards still have their original shocks or strut units? Selling shocks and struts can be tough. Unlike other parts, when these components wear out, they don't immediately affect the vehicle's ability to run. And most drivers may not realize how bad their ride control has become. In this video, we detail how to take the best approach when selling ride control. Salespeople can often become their own worst enemies when it comes to selling ride control products. Over time, they might become apathetic, hesitating to recommend certain crucial replacements to customers. It takes mental and physical tools to break this cycle, and I'm not talking about vacations or t-shirts. The first step to selling ride control is performing a visual inspection of the shocks and struts, which can reveal valuable information about the vehicle's ride control units and safety. It's essential to ensure the vehicle is roadworthy before conducting any test drives. After completing the inspection, communicate to your customers the specific details you gained during the test drive. A complete inspection will set the foundation for effective communication and enhance the likelihood of completing a sale. Insights gained from the inspection also enable the sales pitch to be tailored directly to each individual customer. For example, during a test drive, you may observe hiccups in vehicle performance and humming noise from the driver's rear driver's side. Advising customers to replace their struts can help improve vehicle performance and prevent further uneven tire wear. Again, this personalized approach to customer care creates a tangible reason for the customer to get service done now rather than later, also improving customer trust. Proper inspection and communication with customers can make the process of selling ride control a lot easier. Remember, it's not just about selling a product, it's about enhancing your customer's vehicle to build trust so that they'll come back for future service needs. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.